Mukagatare, Florida is among the locals that have reported their case to the National Commission for Human Rights. She says that though her case was followed up and has now been resolved, it was challenging for her, especially the trips to different offices, which could have been avoided had it been done online. I would go to their offices and they would tell me to be patient and give me people to go with me to the district until it reached a point when they could go by themselves. It could have been easier if everything was done online, because it is tiresome when a person is constantly told to come back the next day. The Parliamentary General Assembly in the Chamber of Deputies recently requested the National Commission for Human Rights to implement an online channel where locals can send their cases through. So far it is in process of being implemented, and it will be called the NCHR Compliant Management System, where a person can log in and report their case so that those in charge can make a follow-up on it. The chairperson of the National Human Rights Commission, Mukasine Malikaya, notes that this method will not only help locals but also simplify work for the commission itself. Responding to these cases will be easy because once the case has been resolved, we will be able to notify them online. The site will also help us to update them on any progress concerning their cases, with people able to check for themselves too. And another thing, our system will be linked to other systems, whereby if a case concerns another institution, we'll be able to contact them and find the solution while still keeping details confidential. A researcher on the country's constitution and a university professor, Tom Mulisa, says that there should be a way for all citizens to access the online system. Though this online method is going to be implemented, still those that can't read and write will find this method challenging, whereby they will have to seek help from employees of cyber cafes. This method will facilitate one portion of society, but not those that are illiterate or don't own smartphones. For now, the priority is to establish the site, which means the remaining work is for the National Commission for Human Rights and the private sector to find a way of distributing computers in different sectors, which will be used to assist locals in accessing the online system. The National Commission for Human Rights has various ways through which one is able to contact them in case of any sort of human rights abuse, through SMS and a toll-free call line. The online method will come adding to the existing channels to easily facilitate locals to report their cases. The online site will be officially launched in October, following preparations and testing during the first term of the 2020-2021 fiscal year. Report